Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a digital marketing course with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official HubSpot Academy website. Create a free HubSpot account if you don't have one. Log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the courses section in the main menu. Look for the digital marketing category. Select the course that interests you, such as inbound marketing or content marketing. Read the course description to understand the objectives and content covered. Check the prerequisites listed for the course to ensure you meet them. Click the Enroll button to add the course to your account. Once enrolled, you will see the course outline and modules. Start with the Introduction module to get an overview of the course structure. Follow the lessons in order, as they build upon each other. Take notes on key concepts and terminologies as you progress. Complete any quizzes or assignments to reinforce your learning. Utilize supplementary materials, such as downloadable resources and case studies. Engage with discussion forums to connect with other learners. Ask questions if you encounter difficulties or seek clarification on topics. Track your progress through the course dashboard. Aim to complete modules within a set timeframe to stay on track. Once you finish all modules, take the final exam if applicable. Achieve a passing score to earn your certification. Download your completion certificate to showcase your achievement. Consider applying your new skills through practical projects or internships. Stay updated on emerging trends in digital marketing through HubSpot's blog and resources. Reflect on what you've learned and how it can enhance your career. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.